Hello everyone. Today we are going to look VS Code Insider, uh, especially uh, what is agent mode in VS Code Insider and how you can use that in your projects that will boost up your productivity in such a way that you just have to give the command and that command will generate automatically code files and suggest you some edits and especially streamline your code process much faster than usually you do with Copilot. So let me show you what is VS Code Insider first, and if you know about other feature that VS Code Insider will provide, then you can also comment down. I'll make sure that I'll create a video. So uh, also make sure to watch my previous VS Code uh, Copilot mode, so you can also get some of the insight how you can create the custom instructions. So you can download VS Code Insider from here. Uh, so you will get earlier uh, feature builds that are yet not tested widely. So it is not stable yet, but you will get latest feature. You can test it, and one of the feature is that agent mode in the VS Code. So right now I am working on a assignment that it is given here. So I have used this agent mode quite a lot. So I have created multiple files in the main server and there is some another server. So I have created a JavaScript project, then I have migrated from JavaScript to TypeScript. So I have given some commands here, so it will basically do that task for me. So how you can use the agent mode here? So once you sign up with GitHub Copilot, so there is this icon here, so you will go there, and after that you can just, there is two chat and Copilot edits. So you can go to Copilot edits, and there is GPT-4 and 3.5 and 3.7. If you are a premium user, then you will get these, I think, two uh, uh, additional model. So if you give some let's suppose uh, update the readme file, so it will basically go through my code, and based on that it will update it. So I have given him the codes, and then it will update my readme file. So it will take some time, and then after that, so look at the it will go to all of my code base, and then it will update it. So I'm not doing that right now, but basically it will do all these things. Also, if you want to know about how you can use copilots effectively, how to add code bases, how to add file fetch and terminal commands, everything, you can just comment down. I'll create a video so that you will know how to use it. And also, if you haven't used Copilot in your VS Code, so how to enable it and how you can use it for free, you can also comment down. I'll create a separate video for that. So let me just run it so that you can get a idea for it. So it will go through code, all the files in my code base, and then after that it will generate uh, the readme file and update it. So it will take some amount of time. So moving to fast forward, I'll show you what it has done. So as you can see, it is generating some edits, and it will go through and create file for me. It is quite fascinating that it is going everything and generating everything. Let's wait for a couple of seconds. As you can see how much percentage edits had been done, it is also showing me that. So as you can see that 192 lines of code is generated and also 162 lines of code is deleted. So once you are done, you can just keep the file. Okay, so these are the things that has been updated. So if you want any other video related to Copilot edits and additionally related to some cool tools and text, then you can comment down. I'll create a video about that also. So feel free to reach out to me and also use it. It is going to fast your process a lot, but make sure that you know the every single find word file and every single line of code what it is doing, so that if it is not working properly you can fix it. Okay, so make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.